Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I've really been enjoying wearing these sunglasses by DEMIKO. These sunglasses are my favorite style and I think they look great on me. And of course, they're amazing at doing their job and taking care of my eyes from all the damaging UV lights. I need them all the time when I'm driving, when I'm at the beach, when I'm at the pool, or when I'm just going out for a walk. These sunglasses have been super durable. The material it is made out of is very strong and flexible at the same time. So even though I'm super clumsy and I drop them all the time, even after all those drops, the sunglasses have not broke or chipped or anything like that. Since they come in a pack of 3, I love wearing different styles and colors, or having a pair of sunglasses in the car, another one in my bag, so I always have one with me. And that is my point of view.